The first thing I noticed when I unboxed my Bellroy leather key cover is that it's incredibly soft. It feels more like fur or cotton wool, a surprising and welcome bonus. It really is very plush and soft. It made me feel good about my purchase. Check out the magnetic closure. It's really satisfying just how well this works. This is how you load your keys. I bought the Key Cover Plus, which has attachments for keys at each end. The standard or smaller version key cover has attachment locations at just one end and is 13mm shorter, but otherwise identical to this one. My Plus version holds up to 8 keys. I don't have that many, but I do have this longer key which fits perfect at this end, making the Key Cover Plus versatile for larger or odd-shaped keys. You might not use these parts, they're just for keys with bigger holes in them. This contrasting colour leather loop is great for fitting a car key to, if you have one. It's really comfortable in my pocket. I don't feel my keys digging into my clothes anymore. And I walk in complete silence now that my keys don't rattle.